We have this question: if y is equal to sec theta, show that the second differential is equal to y times 2y squared minus 1. Okay. Without further ado, let's go straight to the solution. What we do in this question is to well, there's no way you can get the second differential without getting the first differential. So we have to get the first differential. Differentiate sec theta. If we differentiate sec theta, that will be, ddx of sec theta. That will be equal to sec theta times theta. That's the first differential. Repeat the process and get the second differential. Repeat the process, get the second differential. So this will involve a product rule. I'm going to keep this one constant and differentiate tan theta. I'm going to use a prime for that, tan theta prime, which is a ddx of tan theta. Then plus, can you keep your tan tangent, keep it constant, and differentiate sec theta. Sec theta. So what I mean by these primes, dd theta of tan theta. So that's the meaning of tan theta prime. Okay, that's the meaning of tan theta prime. Let me adjust that. So that's what we have. Then the next thing to do now is to get the derivative of tangent to be sec theta. Derivative of tangent is sec squared theta, okay, plus tan theta. Derivative over tan theta will give you sec theta and theta. So this will be equal to sec cube theta, and this one will be equal to plus sec theta and squared theta. So that's what we have in that case. So what we just need to do, it will be more better for us to turn the whole expression to form of sec. So we need to convert the tangent, the tan squared theta, to sec theta. How do we do that? That's a very simple answer. Is using the identity. Use your trig identity. Tan squared theta is equal to sec squared theta, and make tan squared theta the subject. So if you do that, we're going to have sec squared theta minus 1. Okay, so we're going to substitute for tan squared theta in this place so that there will be the expression will be uniform, will be in the form of sec theta. Okay, so that's that on that. Want to make the expression to be of the same form. So then the next thing to do now, let's plug in. So we're going to have sec cube theta plus the sec theta times the tan squared theta is a sec squared theta minus 1. So do the expansion. We have this. So if you add them together, we're going to have 2 sec cube theta minus sec theta. Okay. So we're having from the given problem, we are told that y is sec theta. So plug that into your expression. So we have y, we have 2y cubed minus y, and then factorize your y. There you have this, and that's that is proved. That's done. That's the second differential. For all your questions, your comments, share the links of this video on your different platform. If you are new on this channel, subscribe, give the videos a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next video.